Hi there. So, do you work in a hotel, or restaurant, or motel, or resort? Or are you a hospitality management student? Whoever you are, you should have the following premium training manuals. Hospitality School, world's most popular free hotel management training blog, proudly presents following exclusive training resources. Let's have a look. Here you can see some of our finest and most easy to understand training resources like F&B Service, Training Manual with 225 SOP, Front Office Training Manual with 231 SOP, Housekeeping Training Manual with 150 SOP. Secrets of Successful Guest Complaint Handling in Hotel and Restaurant. Hospitality Career Opportunities. 200 Hotel and Restaurant Management Training Tutorials. Hotel Room Service Training Manual. English for Hotel and Restaurant Workers. 127 Hotel and Restaurant Forms and Checklists and many more resources. Now, in fact, Hospitality School offers 11 exclusive Hotel and Restaurant Management Training Manuals, PowerPoint presentations, forms and checklists, 200 plus free training tutorials, and many more. Now, very briefly we are going to discuss top features of our training resources. This is our comprehensive collection of 200 plus hotel and restaurant management and training tutorials. Food and Beverage Service Training Manual with 225 SOP. Look at the following features to get idea of the book. A concise, but complete, and to the point, Food and Beverage Service Training Manual. Here you will get 225 restaurant service standard operating procedures. Hotel Front Office Training Manual with 231 SOP. Notable features of this book are comprehensive collection of 231 hotel front office management standard operating procedures. Cover almost everything under front office department. A must-buy guide for anyone working in front office. Self-study guide for anyone want to build up career in front office. Hotel Housekeeping Training Manual with 150 SOP. Why should you buy this book? Comprehensive collection of 150 hotel housekeeping standard operating procedures. A to Z SOP solution for anyone working in hotel housekeeping. Secrets of Successful Guest Complaint Handling in Hotel and Restaurant. Why should you buy this book? The only one book written on handling guest complaint in hotel and restaurant. There is no other book available in the market on this topic. 102-page amazing training manual. From theoretical discussion to case studies analysis. Everything has been covered. Hospitality career opportunities. Learn secrets to get job in hotel and restaurant. This book will offer you exclusive list of questions that are asked in hotel and restaurant job interviews. Most complete and updated list of hotel, restaurant, and cruise industry related websites, official career pages, and relevant social networking links for getting jobs. Detailed instructions on how to prepare hospitality industry standard cover letter or CV, thank you letter and many more. Complete guideline on how to manage both advertised and non-advertised jobs. Detailed instructions on how to manage jobs through online resources. Professional spoken English for hotel and restaurant workers. What will you get inside the book? Professional spoken English book for non-native English speaking hotel and restaurant workers. Highly recommended for hospitality students whose native language is not English. Encyclopedia of Hotel Management Terminology. This book will offer you most unique book in the market about hotel management terminologies. Biggest collection of hospitality glossary ever. 6,230 hotel management terms and glossary in single bundle. A must-have guide for hospitality students and professional hoteliers. We highly recommend you to collect all these premium training manuals. Visit www.hospitalityschool.com. Currently we are giving $25 discount on our special offer 2 package, which is the collection of all our main training resources. Don't miss the offer and visit us right now.